Hi there, students. On the money. On the money. Okay, a phrase meaning to be exactly right, precisely. So your guess was on the money. It was exactly right. Yeah? Your idea was on the money. It was absolutely precisely accurate. It was exactly what we needed. Yeah? Um, if you're going to pass this exam, you need to get your answers need to be right on the money. They need to be exactly right. They need to be precise. Very often, right on the money as well. Yeah, the right is just um, uh, an intensifier. Yeah, your prediction was right on the money. Exactly what you said was going to happen happened. Yeah. Um, all of the criticism that he made was right on the money. It was exactly what was accurate. Yeah. You said it was going to rain tomorrow, and look, and yesterday you said it was going to rain today, and you were right on the money. You were exactly right. Yeah, so a prediction can be right on the money. A forecast can be right on the money. Or right on the money in exactly the right place. Yeah. He threw the dart and it was right on the money. It hit the bullseye, the center of the target. Yeah. Um, your estimate was right on the money. It was precise. Um, let's see. As to origin, this comes from horse racing. Yeah. And if you put your bet on the right horse, then you're on the money. You've got your horse on the money. Yeah. So if you bet, you're going to win. And that's the idea of being on the money. Okay, so to be on the money, exactly on the dot, on the mark, in the exact right spot. Um, yeah, his attempt was on the money. It was exactly where it went. Uh, he kicked the ball and the kick was on the money. It went straight into the goal. It was precisely on target. Yeah, it was kicked accurately. It was kicked exactly to the right place. Okay, so um, if you when you're speaking English, if your English is right on the money, then you're making absolutely no mistakes, and it sounds natural and right. But it's very difficult to always be on the money in a foreign language. Um, yeah, playing cricket, the ball that the bowler bowled was right on the money. It was going exactly at the wicket. It was going precisely where it was needed to go. Okay, so to be on the money. This is an informal phrase. I think I'm going to give this a 3.53 informality. Notice as well it's an Americanism. The Americans probably use this more than the Brits, but absolutely fine in both. So, yeah, I hope my description was right on the money. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Right on the money.